get very hot, so you don't really want to get too close. So mine does get very hot, so I don't put it too close to my face. But it does get right off the dirt and clog the pore. Really make my skin very nice and radiant. And I'm waiting for the holidays. Do this for 10-15 minutes. You don't want to do this more than 10-15 minutes. But this is very good for your skin. Everywhere. My neck too. My décolleté. I will link everything at the bottom. I want to do this. Okay, I'm going to put hyaluronic acid, very generous. Amount. My neck, my décolleté. I usually like to leave it maybe a few seconds to dry before I apply the serum. I just find this little serum is a gel and a mixture of hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and some Cajun roots, which I'm not sure, but it really has done some magnificent result on my skin, tightening my skin. So I apply this right after my hyaluronic acid, and I really put a lot on it, on my hands, and leave it like this, tap it. And on my décolleté, I wait a little bit for this to dry. This is a very good even though that I'm going to be, this is so very, very good for your skin. There's two more ingredients that I usually use is the Victoria Principal, the neck cream, and it goes here and here. It smells so good. It's just so refreshing, just like smell like cucumber, and I even put away cucumber and C. It sounds like C. It's really, I will link everything below for you if you like to try this product. They really work for me. I like to change different products. There are lots of products that I've been using since I was a teen, but there are products that I use that I actually like. Is I share in some of my videos. I really like Victoria Principle, and it works for me. Their product really works for me. So this is the neck cream, and I will put all this information below for you to try. And this is the Victoria Principle, the night cream. Okay. Go. My décolleté. And my eye cream, generous. Just top. When I take care of my skin, especially when I do cleansing and deep cleansing and reaffirming the skin, I try to do this as if I were working on a client. I choose very relaxing, not much of talking, but just enjoy feasting your face for the right holiday. Feasting your face for the holiday, and that's what I call that. To feast your face for the holidays. So you get ready, you get all beautiful and ready. So I hope you have enjoyed this video with me. That's lots of fun. I love to share all my beauty tips that I do. And I thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video with me and spending some time. And as I say, I will link these products below so you can try them on if you like. And this is Chantal Ponce. Au revoir, merci, et please do not forget to leave me a comment and let me know what would you like to see next. And this is Chantal Ponce. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.